How to fix Discord mic not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Discord microphone not working. So first thing first, you go to your settings on your device, then locate apps from the list, after which go to see all apps, and this is where you need to go ahead and locate Discord. Once you select Discord, you then need to go ahead and look for permission section. So usually, if your mic isn't working, then you might have not enabled the permission. So just go to the microphone section and make sure to enable the permission. Now that you've done that, close all the background running app or refresh your device or restart the device and check whether the microphone is enabled or not. Despite doing that, if you're having issue, go to the Discord app itself, log in. Then you want to go to the use section from the bottom right, select user setting at the very top. Here, you need to go to voice settings and